Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 ST. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, it looks fantastic. You have the chrome accenting on your grille up front with your halogen headlights and your chrome bumper down there. Now coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires there. Look great, lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back, we got a 5-foot box back here. We do also have our chrome bumper back here as well. Take this down, looks fantastic back here. It does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 1 press to activate our panic button. Now we can open this guy up, and on the door we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have your handle, another handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. You do have the cloth seats, very comfortable. Controls over your seats right there. And then up here we do have our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. And up here we do have our control over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, 54,000, not too bad at all. We also have our temperature right there, and we can switch it around to our our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our messages, screen setup, and our settings, as well as you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now that is control from right here. You also have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. And then over here we do have our radio. So we have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. You have your media tab if you have one hooked up. You also have your info, ABC, presets down here, volume up and down, power, you got your skips and your pause, audio, menu and back. You also have your tuner and browser right there. Down here we do have the controls over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then over here we have the power up and down. You have your circulation, heat and AC, you have your hazard lights, and your where it's going to blow out, plus your defrosts. Some storage in there. You have your traction control and tow and haul mode. And then in the center we do have our armrest with some cup holders. You do have some coin holders here. And right over here we do have a aux cord and a USB plug-in. You can close that up, lift this up, and you got another seat right underneath there. You can seat 6 people all together. And then over here you got a top layer for your glove box and a bottom layer right there with your owner's manual inside of it. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle right here, control over your windows, handle, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can also fold this up and you got some extra storage just underneath there. Plus you got your cup holders, and underneath here you do also have a little bit of additional storage, and you do have another one on the other side. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.